Today's medical-centric tip is 22 essential tips for hydrating and repairing bleached hair. Bleaching your hair can give you stunning color results, but it also strips moisture and leaves your hair vulnerable to dryness, breakage, and damage. If your bleached hair feels parched or brittle, these essential hydration and repair tips can help restore its softness, strength, and shine. 1. Deep condition regularly. Use a rich, deep conditioner at least once a week. Look for formulas with keratin, argan oil, or shea butter to add moisture and improve elasticity. 2. Avoid overwashing. Washing, too, often strips natural oils, which are crucial for moisture. Try to wash only 2 to 3 times a week, allowing your scalp's oils to nourish your hair. 3. Sulfate-Free Shampoos. Sulfates can further dry out bleached hair. Opt for sulfate-free shampoos that cleanse without stripping essential moisture. 4. Apply leave-in conditioners. A good leave-in conditioner can hydrate between washes. Look for products with proteins and oils for extra nourishment. 5. Try hydrating hair masks. Use hair masks formatted specifically for hydration. Ingredients like avocado, coconut oil, and honey work well to retain moisture and improve texture. 6. Limit heat styling. Bleached hair is more susceptible to heat damage. Limit heat styling to once a week or less, and use the lowest possible setting to protect your hair's health. 7. Always use heat protectant. When heat styling is necessary, always apply a heat protectant spray. This creates a barrier that prevents further moisture loss from heat exposure. 8. Rinse with cool water. Rinsing with cool water after washing helps seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and leaving hair smoother and shinier. 9. Use a silk pillowcase. Cotton pillowcases can create friction and cause breakage. Silk or satin pillowcases reduce friction and help keep moisture in your hair while you sleep. 10. Incorporate protein treatments. Bleached hair benefits from protein to strengthen weakened strands. Consider protein treatments every 4 to 6 weeks, but don't overdo it, as too much protein can make hair stiff. 11. Apply natural oils. Natural oils like coconut oil, olive oil, or argan oil can help deeply hydrate and smooth damaged strands. Apply a few drops to damp hair or use as an overnight treatment. 12. Use a microfiber towel. Microfiber towels absorb excess water gently, reducing friction and preventing hair breakage compared to rough cotton towels. 3. Avoid tight hairstyles. Tight ponytails or buns can lead to breakage in fragile bleached hair. Opt for loose styles to reduce tension on hair strands. 14. Take hair supplements. Consider hair supplements with biotin, zinc, and collagen to support hair health from within, promoting strength and resilience. 15. Trim split ends regularly. Bleached hair is more prone to split ends, which can travel up the hair shaft. Regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks can prevent further damage. 16. Avoid chlorine. Chlorine in pools can be harsh on bleached hair, causing dryness and even color changes. Wear a swim cap or rinse hair with fresh water before and after swimming. 17. Try bond-building treatments. Bond-building treatments like Olaplex or K18 help repair internal hair structure damaged by bleaching, restoring strength and resilience. 18. Hydrate from the inside out. Drink plenty of water daily, as overall hydration contributes to your hair's health and resilience. 19. Limit chemical treatments. Avoid additional chemical treatments like perms or relaxers on bleached hair, as they can cause excessive dryness and damage. 20. Use UV protection. Sun exposure can damage bleached hair further. Use hair products with UV filters or wear a hat to protect from sun damage. 21. Avoid brushing wet hair. Bleached hair is fragile when wet. Use a wide-tooth comb or fingers to detangle gently, reducing breakage risk. 22. Be patient with your hair. Repairing bleached hair takes time and consistent care. Patience and a steady routine are key to achieving healthy, hydrated hair.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.